friends, I'm Ojal I'm studying in Pune International School in class 4th. Today I'm going to recite an English poem. Name of the poem is 20 Froggies, written by George Cooper. Before watching this video in detail, don't forget to subscribe my channel. So let's start. 20 froggies went to school down beside a rushing pool. 20 little coats of green, 20 vests all white and clean. We must be in time, said they. First we'll study, then we'll play. That is how we keep the rule when we froggies go to school. Master Bullfrog, brave and stern, called the classes in their turn. Taught them how to nobly strive, also how to leap and dive. Taught them how to dodge a blow from the stick that bad boys throw. 20 froggies grew up fast, bullfrog they become at last. Polished in a high degree, as each froggy ought to be. Now they sit on other logs, teaching other little frogs. Okay friends, I hope you might have liked this video. If you like this video, please hit the like button, share with your friends. If you have a comment for me, write in the comment box. Bye. Thank you. Have a good day.